Hey team, nice job reviewing, nice job doing those review problems. We're going to go over a few of the answers right now together. Okay, so why does that keep on happening? There we go. That's not it either. That's it. Okay, so back to business. First question was really straightforward. What's the formula to find the volume of a cylinder? It's the volume equals capital B. Remember, capital B, the base, is actually the area of a circle, right? So it's the area of the circle times the height of the cylinder. That's why in the video, we did pi r squared times height, because pi r squared, pi times radius squared, is the formula for the area of a circle. So let's apply that to number 2. Number 2, I asked you to find the volume of the cylinder. I told you to leave it in terms of pi. So what that means is you're going to take the radius, which is 8. You're going to do pi r squared, 3.14 r squared. So all you really had to do was do r squared, because I told you to leave it in terms of pi. So you did 8 squared pi r squared times 24. And when you did the base, pi r squared, using 8 for r, times 24 as your height, then you should have gotten 1,536. A couple people have been saying that it's easier for them to just convert things into pi, multiplying this by 3.14. If you multiply this by 3.14, then that's the full volume, not in terms of pi, just the volume of the cylinder. But please remember, guys, that the base of a cylinder is the circular part. So that we know 24 is the height, because the base is here, the circular part, and then 24 is the height. For number 3, the only thing that could have confused people is, again, making sure that we're not using 15 as our radius. Remember, 15 is the diameter. Radius is half of the diameter. So when you were doing pi r squared times height, or the area of the base times the height, you would use half of 15, which is 7 5/10. Okay, please, 11:15 a.m. office hours. If you have any questions, we are starting our review for our first longer assessment on volume. So this is the day that we are going to be reviewing the volume of cylinders. So if you leave today still confused about the volume of cylinders, please come to office hours. Again, 11:15 a.m. Call, text, email, etc. I'm always available.